Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to do assignment number 4 in word processing, which is how to create a brochure using a Microsoft template. I'm going to show you both ways. I'm going to show you one through a PowerPoint show, one slide at a time, and then I'm going to show you video directions on how to do it. If the video seems a little too fast for you, then just rerun it a couple, 3 times and you'll get it. You'll find it's very easy using the videos. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to show you how to create a brochure. Now this is a fancy looking brochure. It's one of those fold over ones. You see these around everywhere, and it's very easy to create because Microsoft does most of the work. They have a template and all you do is click and fill in the blanks. So let's go. And first of all, you have to decide what topic your brochure will cover. Now, you can choose any topic at all you want. I don't care. You know, nursing students do health. Business students pick a business. I don't care. Whatever it is, you do brochure on whatever you want. Okay? You may choose any company or any topic or any institution. So let's go. Now, second thing you'll do is find 5 or 6 pictures to put into your brochure and save them into a word processing document. Now, I'm going to do mine on a BMW dealership. I just pick that up, and so anyway, I need pictures. So I went to Google, I searched for images, and when you find the images, save them to a blank word processing document. And when you paste the picture in, be sure to go to, as this arrow shows, choose in front of text. It makes it a lot easier to move the picture around. You'll see. So when you get your picture on your word processing document, double click on it and go up to format the picture and choose in front of text, and it's a lot easier to do. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is you need some text for your documents. Now, so you'll need to find and copy some text that's appropriate for your brochure. Now listen, your brochure has to have some content. You have to have words in it. Now you can use real world stuff. What I did, I'm doing mine on a BMW dealership, and just for the heck of it, to make it quick and easy for the demo, I just copied from their website information about the company, information about the service department, things like that, and I pasted it onto word processing documents so I could demonstrate this easily. In the real world, of course, you would never ever go and copy somebody else's stuff from their website. Never ever do that. That's plagiarism and it's illegal. Don't do that. Okay, so but for our pretend classroom exercise, you can copy anything you want, or you can simply type in the text as you go along. You'll see what I mean as we go through this. Next step is we need to open up a new word processing document. So you go to word processing, go file, new, and you'll get the template, the window you see in front of you here. Now you notice there's a box and it says search for, it's a search box. Okay, what we're going to do on ours, I'll go to the next slide, is in that search box type trifold brochure, and then click the search button. That's the one here I'm moving the mouse, the little magnifying glass. Click search, and when you do that, the next screen that comes up will be this. Okay, when you get this screen here, then you are to double click on the brochure here that says, see, trifold brochure. I'm moving my mouse under it. See, the trifold brochure comes up, so you double click on that. When you double click on it, you'll get this. This is the template. We're going to keep this open for a minute. This is just showing you what's going to happen when you begin the document. It's going to bring up a picture of the template. Now all you have to do is click on the words, like your company brochure, click on those words, and then press delete, and then type in the right words that you're going to use for your company or your product. Click on the picture, and say delete that, and then all you have to do is paste in the one you want. For example, okay, what if you choose a different style template? I'm going to continue this demonstration just using a sample, somebody using a different template. What you do is you open the template that you like, and you'll delete out the old sample information in pictures and paste in your own new information in pictures. Okay, what's the sample? Here, suppose you chose this brochure style instead of the other one. All you have to do is just delete out, for example, where it says header. Right click on the header and delete it out, and then type in your own, or just, I think maybe you just click on top of it, and you click on top of header, and you can type your own header there. I'm going to put sales department on mine, or something like that. And then below it says pictures go here. Right click and delete out what's there, and then paste in what you want. That's all there is to it. You just open a brochure style, click on what you don't want, and for example here, the header, you don't want that header, you click on that, and then you type or paste in your own information. It says here, put a photo here, click on that, delete that out, and paste in your own photo. It's just that simple. Open a template, click on what you don't want, type in what you do want, click where there's no picture or a sample picture, delete it, paste in what you do want. That's all there is to it. Okay, so now here's how to complete the assignment, and these are the steps. You can pause this if you want to when you're running it, but you're going to delete out the decide your topic, write up the pretend information and save it on a word processing document, and save some pictures there. You don't have to do this copying the information. You can type it on the go if you want to, but it's nice to have pictures handy you can paste in. Okay, so you use 4 or 5 pictures. Now, you'll watch the next video and you will do the assignment. Okay, so let's watch the next video. You'll click on that. But I'm going to actually end this right here and begin the video to show you how to do it. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to end this show here. And now I'm going to begin the video on how to do this assignment. First thing you'll do is you will go to your Start button and click Word, and Microsoft Office Word, word processing comes up. Click on that, open it up, and here we go. At this point, I'm now in Word, and I want to do a brochure. So instead of normally clicking on a blank document, we're going to come up and where it says search box up above, I'm going to type brochure. I want you to put particularly a tri-fold brochure. Type tri-fold brochure and click search. Now there are thousands of these templates. Use whatever one you like, but for our purposes you'll find it easier for this exercise to use this tri-fold brochure. Notice it comes up on the screen, tri-fold brochure. I double click, click, and it opens up the document. And there you are. To do this document, all you have to do is delete out what you don't want, type in what you do want. Now I've gone to the trouble of, in advance, you don't have to, but I did it this way. I have a document where I just went to the internet and copied some pictures that I'm going to use in my brochure just to have it handy. I also copied some text so I can cut and paste for a quick demonstration. You can either copy and paste from the website or type up your own. I don't care. All right, so let's go back to our document that we are creating. Okay, mine is going to be on a BMW dealership. So I'm going to click on your company name, and I'm going to simply type in Danvers, capital letters, Danvers BMW Auto Mall. Okay, and then it says a brief description of what your company does here. I don't particularly care to have that on there. I'm just going to, I'm going to click on that and change it. I'm going to put we serve the North Shore with elegant and reliable automobiles. I mean, you can type whatever you want, of course. I don't care what your product is, what your company is. Now, I don't want the sample picture, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to press delete. Now, I have my pictures saved already, so I'm going to go to where I saved some, and I'm going to click, here's the picture of the dealership. I'm going to right click on that, and I'm going to choose let's go home here, and I have to choose copy. Now I'm going to go back to my document, and I'm going to choose home, and I'm going to choose paste. And that's all there is to it. You know, in these pictures, when you put them, you can move them around wherever you want and make them bigger or smaller, but I'm happy with this. So that's fine there. And down the bottom, I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to have to move that down some, move it back up. I want to get some, here we go. And I'm going to put a little bit of information about our company here. So I'm going to go back to, I saved some words I wanted to put on my brochure. So I'm going to copy and save about our company. I'm not going to do all of it, just some of it about our company. I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose copy. I'm going to go back to my brochure and I'm going to right click and choose paste. And so there's the information about the company. All right, and so now you just go through, and I'm going to come over here, and it says where it says this is a great spot for a mission statement. Instead, I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to put check out our state-of-the-art service center. Okay, and I'll press enter a couple of times. Now, at this point, this would be a great place for me to put a picture of the service department. I just went ahead and in advance and did these things. I'm going to right-click and copy this picture of the service department, go back to my brochure, and I'm going to right-click. I'm going to paste in that picture. Now, see, that picture's a little too big, so I'm gonna, you got to be careful. You don't want to misshape in the picture, but I can do this. This works out, and it doesn't make the picture look odd. I have to click above it, I think, and put some more space there, and then click and move it back up because I want to be able to type in words down below here. Now, if you don't have any words that you've copied, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to highlight this piece here, and I'm going to put features in all capitals, I guess. Features of our new service department. Now press enter. And now I'm going to go up to, I'm just going to use bulleted items. I'm going to click on the bullet items and up here. And I'm going to put bullets. I'm going to put high-tech equipment, fully trained, factory trained staff, newest facilities. What else can I say about the service department? You know, custom appointments. Oh, spelled that wrong. Be careful on these brochures. You want to have absolute accuracy. Spell check it when you're done. I'm going to put appointments for your convenience. And loaner autos, and stuff like that. I got a spelling area. I'm going to right click and choose convenience. Okay, and this is what you do to create your brochure on your topic. It doesn't matter. Whatever topic it is, you change the words, change the pictures, make it say what you want. And by the way, when it's time to type, it says here, it says the recipient address and stuff like that. We'll put for a address here, we'll put resident at 21. Well, you know, let's make this our own address instead. Let's make this auto. I'll do it in all caps. Auto Mall, 25 Center Street, Danvers, Mass. and so forth. Whatever, you do that. And so any place where there is anything at all that's been put there for you, you've got to delete it or change it. Okay, delete it or change it for every single thing. Now it says here, your company is the greatest. This is what you got to change. This, you got to put your own company. Whatever it is. Change what's there. Put something that makes sense for your product or your service. And don't leave behind any pictures that they have. You want to delete those out and put your own pictures in there, as I did, and as I showed you, several times. You put your own pictures in there, and don't leave anything that is blank. I'm going to go back here now and right-click and paste in that picture and so forth. And I'm going to make it appropriate size and stuff. Whatever. You get the idea. Okay? But the bottom line is, don't leave anything to chance. Don't forget anything. And when they even have things like web address, make up a web address. Company name and address, make it up and put it in there. Key clients, maybe you don't even want to use, maybe you don't even want to use that thing. You can just delete out what you don't want. You get the idea. Delete out what you don't want, put in what you do want. And that is actually all there is to creating a company brochure on the topic of your choice. So good luck with that. Get back to me if you need any help. Thank you.